This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16HE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 5, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, water heater, awning, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16HE is 3,309 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.